And EROS is the ETF for Russia, and it was down significantly. And Adi was thinking of actually shorting it a few days ago, and I said no, Vladimir doesn't attack. All right, guys, this is Andrew. I'm going to do the recap. Sorry about that. I know it's only 10 minutes into the open. I had a pretty good day, really, really solid trading day, and I'm gonna just call it the day for me. So the Russia attacked Ukraine. Nobody was expecting that, but they did, and they probably take those eastern parts, the Donbas area. Unfortunately, market gap down significantly, 2%. But Brian and I in the chat we discussed that there might be a really good buying opportunity on so many stocks. They're really beaten up, like Apple, Microsoft. A lot of Qs are really beaten up. IWM and a lot of small caps are really only US based economy companies. So there might be some reversal, and we actually saw a quick reversal at the open. I was having TQQ on my watch list, which is the leverage ETF for Qs, and at the open below the VWAP, as you see on my chart, and quickly turned out to be very strong, just above the VWAP. I did 1 minute open range break up all the way up from 41 to 43. So that was a really, really solid trade that I did. Brian did YNDX short. So Brian, do you want to talk about your YNDX trade?
Yeah, it was just looking really weak into the open. It sold off, actually was selling off even before the open started. But yeah, I just caught the drop, and then I traded TQQQ with you on that second wave higher. So those were my two trades, so far. So now we're getting some selling.
So as you see, AMD, we went all the way up, we went to green. So from 104 went up to 110. The volatility, Tesla, for example, from it's below 700, went all the way up to 703. Apple is down still 3%, but recovered some of it. So mRNA had earning and popped up, but mRNA on the daily chart is so beaten up that it's just. And EROS is the ETF for Russia, and it was down significantly. And Adi was thinking of actually shorting it a few days ago, and I said no, Vladimir doesn't attack. But gapped on 40%, and now recovered some from 22 to 25. But it was just really, really bad situation on that. All right, so that's it for me. And so yeah, TQQ was a really, really solid day for me. And I'm in Ushuaia. I have a race on Saturday, and then I fly to El Chatan for climbing and running, and I'll be back next week in Vancouver. Sorry about that, guys. And internet, sometimes, I was traveling for 2 days, and internet has a lot of, tricky sometimes. I'm in a motel right now, in a hostel, and the internet turned out to be really good for trading, but you don't always get that. All right, guys, thank you so much. And Brian, over to you. Thank you so much.